Welcome to Lay's Kitchen. No time to cook? No problem. These spicy, slurp-worthy soup dumplings are ready in just 10 minutes using store-bought dumplings and a few pantry staples. The broth is rich, umami-packed, and the just right amount of spice. Perfect for when you need something fast, easy, and insanely delicious. Crush 2 cloves of garlic and add them to a big soup bowl. Chop up some green onions. I use some leftover onions in the fridge. Add 1 teaspoon of dry Thai crushed chili flakes. You can substitute with another chili flakes or powder. Place a small saucepan over medium heat and pour in 2 tablespoons of regular olive oil. Heat up the olive oil until you can see the smoke coming from the inside edge of the pot. Pour the hot oil into the bowl with the seasoning. Next, place a packet of frozen dumplings without opening and cook it on high for 2 minutes. Time to season the soup. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese dark vinegar. Adjust vinegar per your own taste. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce for the umami flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. End with 1 teaspoon of chili sauce for an extra kick. Assemble and serve. Pour boiling water into the soup base, 1.5 cups. Place the dumplings into the soup. Sprinkle with chopped cilantros and grab a spoon and slurp away. That's a wrap on these quick and spicy soup dumplings. So simple, so flavorful, and ready in no time. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how you like it. More spice, extra garlic, or a twist of your own. Thanks for watching. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.